dear listeners, welcome back to the Italian Property Lawyers podcast. Today, we're going to delve into a crucial topic, the legal side of buying property in Italy. If you've ever daydreamed about owning a home in this beautiful country, this episode is your roadmap to making that dream a reality. But let's kick off with the basics. Usually, before you even start house hunting, you need a Codice Fiscale or tax code. This document is issued by Italian tax authority. Think of it as your financial identity in Italy. Obtaining it is relatively straightforward. Either visit a local tax office or explore online options, but we can also help in that. With this handy code in hand, you're officially set to embark on your Italian property journey. Next, once you've gazed upon the perfect property, you'll enter the realm of the purchase proposal, or proposta di acquisto. This document outlines the agreed terms between you and the seller, including the property's price and sale timeline. It's legally binding, so treat it with reverence. If you're ever in doubt, hire an attorney to review it. Trust me, it's worth the peace of mind. In this sector, doing it yourself could be very risky and could cost you a lot of money. It should be noted, however, that before signing the proposal, it's advisable for a lawyer to check the title to see if there are liens, mortgages, or any other encumbrances that could harm the buyer. As you can imagine, this is a very important step in the process. However, speaking of the proposta di acquisto, here's where things get interesting. Upon signing, the buyer often pays a deposit ranging from 5 to 10% of the agreed property price. It's an escrow deposit, so a symbolic gesture that says, I'm committed to this. However, tread carefully. If you change your mind without a legal justification, you might forfeit the deposit. And in the delightful twist of Italian law, if the seller gets cold feet, well, they might owe you double the deposit amount. The climax of our property tale is the rogito, or the final deed. This pivotal moment is when you can truly claim the property as your own. The notary ensures no debts or mortgages encumber or burden your property. They verify all permissions and register the property under your name. Now, while we've sketched the primary pathway, Italy does come with unique challenges, such as inheritance. Many properties get passed down through generations, and this creates a patchwork of owners for a single property. Imagine buying a property only to discover it's co-owned by a distant relative living in a remote Italian village, or perhaps even in another country. It's fascinating, but it complicates the purchase process, as every owner must give their nod to the sale. Another common hurdle is the spectre of hidden debts. It's every buyer's nightmare to purchase a property only to find out it's laden with debts from yesteryears. Here's where having a trusted legal professional becomes invaluable. They'll ensure your dream home doesn't come with financial ghosts. Now, a quick mention of the Golden Power Law, a regulation that might affect those eyeing properties in coastal or border areas. Italy, cherishing its national interests, occasionally place restrictions on properties in such zones. Thus, before falling for a sea-facing villa, check if any restrictions apply. Moreover, there's also the scenario of protected historical properties. Some Italian homes with their aged walls might whisper tales from centuries past. Such properties might be, safeguarded by cultural heritage laws, meaning you might need special permissions for renovations or even basics repairs. To cap it off, remember that while the legal journey might seem winding, it leads to a destination of unparalleled beauty. Italy, with its warm sun, gentle breezes, and vibrant culture, promises a life less ordinary. I hope today's episode sheds light on the path to owning your Italian dream. As usual, if you want to find out more about us, just take a look at our website, italianpropertylawyers.com, and request a free call with one of our experts. Join us next time as we explore more facets of Italian real estate. Remember to subscribe to our channel and enable the notifications so don't miss any episode. Ciao for now and see you on next episode. Ciao.